Hello Digibyte holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, this is the another good news video for all DGB coin holders. That is the surprise news for DGB coin holders, because now it is time the DGB coin change is going positive, my friends. Every change occurring in the DGB coin is positive. The price of the DGB coin is start increasing, so that's a good news for all DGB coin holders, my friends. Before starting this video and before discuss more details, more information about DGB coin, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video for more news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, at this time the latest price of the Digibyte is 0.046087 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Digibyte. And furthermore, my friends, you can see here that the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week price change occurring in the DGB coin and the Digibyte is going positive, my friends. So every change at this time is positive in the Digibyte. That's why I'm feeling very good. I'm feeling very excited about DGB coin, my friends. I can't believe that what's going on in this time in the cryptocurrencies market. Every coin is positive at this time. Absolutely, if you are an investor in the cryptocurrencies market, so you are in the profit, because now that's the latest update of DGB coin that the price change is positive. Let me show you the price chart. Oh my goodness, my friends, that is the last 3-month price chart of the DGB coin, and from the previous 3 months the price of Digibyte is going increasing, my friends. The price falls down, but now in the last of June and the beginning of the July, the Digibyte, the DGB coin start jumping, and absolutely after they start jumping in the end of June, so they will continue this pump for long term. They will continue this pump for long term. Absolutely, that's my prediction, that's my opinion about DGB coin, that DGB coin continue this pump for long term, because after a great falls they start jumping, so that's necessary for DGB coin that also continue this pump for long term, my friends. Anyways, how do you feel today about Digibyte? Please also tell me in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Absolutely, if you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update about cryptocurrencies market. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for updates videos.